Hi, my name's Jenny, and I am doing a packing and a review of the Jujube with a collaboration of Tokidoki. This is the print Kawaii Carnival, and this is the Superbe. So normally the Superbe is actually non-structured. I do have the Be Moved insert in here that fits perfectly in there. Superbe measures 18 by 15 by 5.5. So it's a pretty big tote bag. And then with any Jujube bag, it does have a silver ion treated interior that resists bacteria, mold, and mildew. And then it also has a highly resistant stain exterior. So as you can see, this is one of their latest releases. It definitely sold out pretty quickly. And then if you look now, it's either sold out or people are selling it for above retail, which usually happens with I guess you can say limited releases. And I found that with Tokidoki, it does sell out pretty quickly. So we'll start with the exterior of the bag. So it does come with 2 straps attached to the bag, flat, and it's kind of soft. I'd say it's cushioned somewhat. It does have 3 front pockets here. 2 of them right here go all the way down. The middle one, I'd say, goes about 3/4 of the way, and it's zippered. And then you can see the zipper here. It does have the zipper pull, and I'm pretty sure that's sunny, but I could be wrong. And then in the back is one huge pocket with snap. And here I don't really have, I have napkins. Normally this back pocket is my catch-all. And then the front pocket, I did have my selfie stick in here. This one, I didn't have anything in. And then in the middle, I had my 2 phones in here. Now normally I use the Superbe as an overnight bag, but today my family and I ended up going to the park, so this is packed like a picnic bag, I guess. So let's open this up. Now with the Be Moved, they only came in one color, which is the I think they called it the Monarch, which was just black, and then the taupe interior. If you saw in my previous video, my Be Moved has been used quite a bit, so it was a bit dirty, so I ended up washing it, and it looked just new, which is why I love this brand. So you can see the little lining already too, kind of a light orange color. So the Be Moved, like I said, makes the Superbe more structured. It does have 2 front pockets here, which is empty. And then it has also 2 back here, which is also empty. Now, as you can see, opening it up, there is a lot of pockets in here. And like I said, this is a picnic bag. Kind of wish I had this when my kids were like newborn, probably less than a year, just because I did pack a lot. And I didn't realize how lightweight this was, even with the Be Moved. Now, so on this side, there is my water bottle. And then in the middle here I have snacks. Let's see. So here there are 2 elastic pockets. I have the Sour Patch Kids and some snacks. Here I have my White Pouch Mini, which has sanitizing wipes. And then my custom DSS, which is my milk pouch. There's also a zipper here, which I have nothing in. And then on the other side pocket is just some juice. So let's see. So on the other side, it is divided a little differently. There is 2 pockets on the bottom and 3 pockets at the top. This one right here has bubbles. The 3 up here, this is my coin purse with the brush and elastic ties. And then in the middle one, I guess my pocket, lotion and my chapstick, my AirPods, sanitizer, And then this other pocket has my coin purse and my Be Charged. So as you can see, the interior of the Be Move is quite a bit. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pockets on the interior with the huge zippered pocket in the back, and then 2 in the back and the front. Now taking this out, you do have a big pocket here, zippered, and then in the front is 2 pockets. They aren't elastic though, so this one I have my planner and my custom pouch, pencil pouch. I ended up using this because it marked one of my bags when I had, you know, a free pen somewhere, so I started using this again. And then one of my kids' phones. So like I said, this is a pretty big bag. I should have bought another one because now I just want to mini it as like an everyday bag. The print is very cute. And like I said, the Superbe isn't structured, so you can definitely pouch pack. I've seen moms pouch like a bunch of fuel cells and set pieces in here. This will be one of the videos I do. Hopefully I can either do an overnight one and just others with what I'd pack for my girls. Well, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.